Welcome to the Baby Skulls NFT Collection. Baby Skulls is a collection of over 999 cute skulls NFTs with very adorable rarity traits such as hats, wings, tails, pets, 3 body types and a diversity of backgrounds. Our collection celebrates the Kawaii Japanese culture and Mexican sugar skulls. Each of our baby skulls is an NFT stored at the Ethereum Blockchain, and we're planning to expand our NFT collection to other chains. The main purpose of this collection is to help those with financial trouble to achieve financial freedom by creating a secondary market around our baby skulls. You can either sell your baby skull right away or you can hold it while you see the floor price go up. Your only job is to help us increase awareness of the Baby Skulls NFT collection by supporting us, that is by posting or talking about us. Our Baby Skulls collection includes 3 body types and a selection of more than 120 accessories, including backgrounds and pets. Baby Skulls NFT collection is an artistic creation of internationally renowned kitsch and NFT artist Tokebi, funded and supported by Edesigns Company, an international informatics agency with headquarters in Guatemala. The Baby Skulls team includes blockchain and tokenomics experts, project managers, designers, coders, and marketers. Our collection will offer to the holder many benefits, including in real-life events, with parties, think tanks and incubators around the globe, diversification to other blockchains, a physical store with wearable art, constant NFT drops, and the creation of a community wallet funding. Get your baby skull today and enjoy these and many perks that the Baby Skulls team will be adding as we continue growing. To mint your baby skull, visit our website. Also join our Discord community for announcements, giveaways and general information about our collection.